Alright guys, I've been waiting on this one for quite a while, so I'm pretty hyped about it. Yeah, stock Typhon body, my custom really kind of screwed up Typhon body. And this beautifully hydro-dipped lightning bolt and carbon fiber cross body and splitter matchup. This is not my carbon fiber sticker overlay. This is hydro dipped, so it really looks amazing. If I could get it up closer. There we go. Now I'm gonna be reviewing this body under 3 categories, and those 3 categories will be clarity, consistency, and how much it just stands out. Now I'm going to be going over those in just a second. And yeah, as you can see, he also hydro dipped this. Only difference, I actually applied my splitter, atomic splitter coating over it, so it really protects it. You know, as good as this looks, you know, you do not really want to have a rock or rollover, you know, if you hit something on it. So that's what I really make sure. If you guys want one of these, Kenny Dockery, he could really make these things pop. You know, not just a splitter. He also does, well, obviously bodies, but absolutely, I'm honest to God speechless. You know, it's really amazing. Now I'm going to go more in depth of those 3 things what I'm going to be reviewing. Alright, 1, clarity. Now I'm going to bring it close, and I'm going to try to set the exposure so you guys could really visualize what this truly looks like. And the camera doesn't really do justice, but the clarity on it, you know, I could really just zoom in, and it's just so absolutely crisp. You know, I really love it. It's absolutely amazing. Now it is all throughout the body. It is the whole thing, and that's my take. You know, absolutely amazing. I'll rate that a 10 out of a 10. You know, if I could 11 on that note. Number 2. Alright, now we're up to consistency. Now I'm going to just go throughout this slowly so you could actually really see just how constant it is throughout. And he put the stickers on, by the way. He did a good job. But yeah, you know, it is extremely consistent all throughout. You know, I really appreciate it that it's that, you know, I understand that there are a couple, what's the word? Like minor defects, you know, with these guys painting these super duper awesome bodies, but regardless, you know, it's really hard to notice them, and it doesn't even matter. It's the fact that the body was painted a certain way that nobody painted or dipped, you know. Any work that these guys do are absolutely amazing. But hydro dip, I never had a hydro dip body before. I mean, it's just absolutely insane. You know, I'm gonna rate that another 10 out of a 10. Score another one for Doc's Crazy Designs. He got my vote. Oh, and look at that. As the light changes, the lightning bolt still stays bright. I don't even know why. It might be glow in the dark. I wouldn't be surprised if it's glow in the dark. He said something about that, but yeah, it's amazing. Now we're gonna get up to the next thing. Alright, so here's the Typhon. Now I'm just gonna be putting the body on it, and I do have the splitter on it, and I do really have to say it really makes it stand out. It makes the whole front end pop. It grabs my eyeballs. I don't know, but we're gonna try it with the body on. I'm gonna have to put down the antenna noodle thing. Alright, well, here we go. We have it on, and yeah, if you're wondering about that, that's just to fit the Parallel 6.0 setup with the graphenes. It's nuts. It's actually why the other body is really cut up. Well, other than that, this absolutely really is amazing. I mean, man. It's also got a holographic. Oh. Now that's because my rear body posts are raised up. But without any further ado, the holographic, if you guys can see it, know, yeah. Well, I see it from here. It really makes it like, there it is. You can see a little bit of it. Really makes it glow more like it. But other than that, it really has surpassed my my expectations. It really has. Yeah, it's really absolutely awesome. So yeah, another one for Doc. Go check him out at Doc's Crazy Designs on Facebook. Contact him at any time. You know, he's done me well, and I guarantee you he'll help you out. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate you guys watching.